How you doing? Todd Uminski, Monday Morning Motivation. Just want to speak to you guys about the words you speak upon yourself every day. You guys got to think about those words every day you wake up. What are some of those words you say in the first 10 minutes, 20 minutes of your waking? Do you guys say how, oh my God, it's such a hard day. I got all these things coming up in front of me. Oh, my body's aching. I got pain. Oh, things are tough. It's just been, a tough day today. My week coming up is going to be hard. Are you speaking all these negative thoughts upon yourself every day of your life? Do you realize how that affects everything on you, in you, part of you, the people around you? Do you know that you need to start thinking of all the good things around you that are happening? Take a minute before you speak these words. Think about all the beautiful things in your life that are happening. There's got to be something out there. Even if you're having the worst day of your life, there could be something. There could be your kids in your life. There could be something there. Your next day could be your best day of your life. So you got to keep on thinking good thoughts. Keep on motivating yourself every day. Let those negative things come in your head. They're gonna. But you got to let them flow right through and get out. And don't speak them. Okay, you have a body pain? Yeah, my shoulder hurts. Oh my God, my shoulder hurts. You don't have to tell everybody every day. Your shoulder hurts. Guess what? It hurts. Figure something out about it. Get it done. Fix it. If you can't fix it, deal with the pain every day. But don't speak those words to make it worse. Start saying, oh, my pain's going to get better. I'm going to feel better. Oh, I feel better. Things are good today. I'm feeling great. You got to start speaking these words. So try it. Try it every day, every morning. Wake up. Speak great things upon yourself. Say how blessed you are. Say how you're happy, you're healthy. Say how life is great. My family is great. My kids are great. I'm prosperous. I'm happy. I'm wealthy. I'm rich. Speak all these things upon yourself. Life is great. I hope this helps someone out there. Spread the news.